read all the words over here. And you know to read, isn't it? Pam. Good. Soft. Blow. Mop. Box. Dive. Doll. Dig. Tom. Eat. Pen. Clean. So learn to read 3 and 4 letter word. Let's take the first word, that is P-A-M, Pam. It is in capital 2, Pam. It's a short form of a girl's name, Pamela. Pam. So what is Pam? Name of a girl. It is a noun and we circle Pam in red. It's a noun. Good. Let's go to the next word, soft. Soft. The bread what mommy bought today is very soft. Mommy made beautiful soft idlis. Soft. Now is soft a thing or a place? No. Soft is not a noun. We skip and go to the next word, that is blue. What is blue? It's a color. The sky is blue. Your dress is blue. Blue is a color and it is not a noun. It's not a place or a thing. So we skip and we come to the next one, mop. What is mop? Cleaning the floor, mopping the floor. If there is water or dirt, taking it away. Mop is not a thing or a place. It is not a noun. So we go to the next word, that is box. What is a box? Box is a thing. It can be big or small or medium, any size. Or you put into the box. If you have a tiny box, you put your pencils, erasers. Mommy has bigger boxes to store crockery or whatever she wants in the kitchen or in the bedroom. Box. B-O-X. Box is a thing. It's a noun, so we circle in red. Good. Last word. The last word is dive. Little boys love to dive into the water. Dive is not a thing, it's not a place, therefore it is not a noun. We skip and come to the next row. Here you have the first word, doll. D-O-L-L, doll. What is a doll? Doll is a tiny little toy the little girls play with. It's a thing. Yes, doll is a thing. Tiny little girl carry the little doll or big doll all over. So doll is a noun. So we circle doll in red. Yes, D-O-L-L, doll is a noun. Next word we take is dig. What's your daddy do? Dig in the garden. Yes, dig and make a hole and plant a tree. Dig. Dig is not a thing. Dig is not a place. It's not a noun. We got the next word, Tom. T is in capital. T-O-M, Tom is the name of a boy. It's a short form of Timothy. Therefore, it's the name of a person. And so we circle Tom in red. Good. Let's go to the last row. The first word is eat. You eat breakfast, dinner, eat snack. Eat is not a place or thing. It cannot be a noun. We got the next word, that is pen. P-E-N, pen. What is pen? It's a thing that you use to make some writing on the paper. Pen. You write with the pen. Daddy writes with the pen. Pen is a thing. It's a noun. We circle pen in red. Yes? Good. And we look at the last word, that is clean. Mommy says, go and clean the floor. Clean the table. Clean is not a thing or a person or place. It is not a noun. So let's look at all the nouns we found. First, Pam, box, doll, Tom, and pen. Did you enjoy the exercise? Remember, you learned to read, learn to identify the word, find out it's a noun and circle it. Now, let's take another exercise. Shall we? Here we are. Now, look at all the words here. First, we will read all the words. You're becoming very clever, aren't you? Let's read all the words. First, gap. What is it? Gap, cap, wipe. bat. Blow, van, dip, and close. Mat, wait, true. So we learned to read all the words. Now we'll go one by one. We'll look. First word here is gap. When you build a wall and there's a small gap, you can pass through. On the road, you find gaps where you can cross the road. Gap. Is gap a thing or a place? No. It is not a noun. So we skip and go to the next word. That's a tap. What is tap? You open the tap, water comes, you can wash your face and hands, anything. Tap. What is a tap? You find tap in the basin, you find tap in mommy's kitchen. What is a tap? Tap is a thing. Is it a noun? Yes. So we circle the tap in red. Let's go to the next word. Wipe. What do you do when water falls on the face? You wipe your face. After you wash the dish, you wipe the dish. Daddy wipes the car. Glasses. Is wipe a thing or a place? No. So it's not a noun. We come and look at the next word here. Bat. What is a bat? B-A-T, bat. Little boys love to play bat and ball. They take the bat and strike on the ball. Bat is a toy. It's a thing. Is it a noun? Yes. So we circle the bat in red. Next, blow. What is blow? Take a balloon, blow air into it. Yes? Blow. You blow away the dust from the table. Yes? Blow the paper bits away. Now, blow is not a thing. It is not a place. It is not a noun. So we skip and go to the last word. That is van. V-A-N, van. What is a van? Some vehicle that take you back up and down school. Van is a vehicle. It is a thing. Is it a noun? Yes. Can we circle in red? Yes. Van is a thing. If we circle it in red. Let's go to the next word. Dip. If you have a pen, you can dip into the ink and write. Yes? Babies love to dip their hand in the water. Dip. Mommy dips clothes into the bucket. Yes. Dip. Dip is not a thing. It is not a noun. So we skip and go to the next word. That is Anne. It's a short form of Annie. What is Anne? A name of a girl. Is it a noun? It is in capital too. Yes. Anne is the name of a girl, the name of a person. It's a noun. And we circle Anne in red. Happy? Let's go to the next word. The next word is close. Mommy says, close the gate, close the door, close the window, close. Close the zip of your bag, close. Close is not a thing. It is not a noun. So we skip over and come to the next last line. The first word is mat. M-A-T, mat. What is a mat? There are paper mats, straw mat, plastic mats, door mats, big mats to lie down. There are different kinds of mat. Mat is a thing. Is it a noun? Yes. Mat is a noun. It's a thing. So we circle mat in red. We go to the next word after that. We put the mat at the door anywhere. Next word is wait. We wait for our turn. We wait for the bus. We wait till the bucket fills. It is not a thing or a place. It is not a noun. So we go to the last word. True. True. True is not a noun. It is not a thing or a place. So that's all we have. So in this lot we have 5 nouns. Let's look at it all. Tap, bat, van, an, and mat. We learn to read. We learn to identify the nouns and circle it too. Shall we go to another exercise? Here we are. Look. What are we learning? We are learning to read. We are learning to identify the noun and circle it. Let's read these words. Tear, slow, egg, pot, pat, dive, duck, jug, wait, fat, down, and city. So we learn to read the words. Now we look at word by word to check if there are any nouns we have. The first word is tear. You take a paper and tear it up. Mummy takes old cloth and tear and she'll wipe the place. Tear is not a thing or a place. It is not a noun. We skip and go to the next word, slow. What is slow? You walk slowly. Grandmas move slowly. Snail can only move very slowly. Slow is not a thing or a place. It is not a noun. So we go to the last word and that is egg. E-G-G, egg. What is an egg? It's a thing. Who gives you an egg? A hen lays an egg for you. Egg is a thing. Is it a noun? Yes. So we circle the egg in red. It's a noun. Now let's go. Having circled it, we come here. What's the word here? Pot. P-O-T, pot. What is the pot? Pot is a thing. You can have clay pot, metal pot, brass pot, any pot. Now what do you keep in the pot? You can keep anything. You can keep water, you can store things. Pot you find in mummy's kitchen. P-O-T, pot. It's a thing and it is a noun. Yes. So we circle pot in red. Pot is a noun. Okay. Having circled pot in red, we go to the next word. Pat. P-A-T. What is pat? You pat your kitten, you pat your dog, you pat baby's cheeks. Not a thing. Is it a noun? No. Let's go to the last word. Dive. Little boys and girls like to dive into the swimming pool. Dive is not a noun. It is not a thing. So we come to another word that is here in the third row. We have duck. D-U-C-K, duck. What is a duck? Duck is a little bird that loves to swim in the water. Where do you find duck? In the farm. D-U-C-K. Duck is a bird. It's an animal. So it is a noun. We circle duck in red. Duck is a noun. Next we go to the next word, jug. What is jug? Where do you find jug? You find jug in mummy's kitchen on the dining table full of water. What's a jug? It's a thing that holds water for you when you're thirsty. So jug is a thing, it is a noun, and we circle jug in red. And we go to the next word, that is wait. We wait for the bus, we wait for our turn. Yes? Wait. Wait is not a thing, not a place, it's not an animal. We skip the word wait and we come to the word here, fat. Have you seen fat cats? Fat little children? Fat is not a place or a thing. It is not a noun. We skip and go to the next word, down. My baby says, I fall down. Falling down, dropping down. Down is not a thing. It is not a place. So it's not a noun. We go to the last word, that is a city. Which city are you living in? Chennai city. City is a place. So is it a noun? Yes. So can we circle in red? Yes, you can circle in red. It is a place. Let's look at all the nouns. Egg, pot, duck, jug, and city. Did you enjoy reading, identifying, looking at a word and circling the noun? Good.